Morning students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is Mrs. Amolika, your English teacher for class 1st, and today I will teach you chapter number 15, The Judgment of a Village Boy. The Judgment of a Village Boy. Okay, we will start now. The present lesson tells about Vikramaditya and his true judgment, and the disappearance of his judgment seat. So this chapter is related to Vikramaditya. After the death of Vikramaditya, his palace and fortress fell into ruin. Ruin means destroyed, and heaped up ruins turned into grassland for cattle, where people grazed their cows. Once boys found a playground. One of them found a green mount, pretty similar to judge's seat. It had a magical effect. He changed, asked his friends to think that I am a judge and holding a court of justice. All the boy found it funny. One boy stated his case that filled his mind. Another said, "It's mine." The boy judge, who was very common before sitting on mount, now he looked different. He solved the case and gave wise decision. After that, he became famous and resolved complicated disputes also. The spirit of knowledge and justice comes when he sat on seat, and when he came down again becomes a normal shepherd boy. After hearing this, king of Ujjain searched the reason how the boy can do a judgment, and came to know that the seat was of King Vikramaditya. King of Ujjain asked to bring the seat for him to sit on it. When it reached and he was about to sit, marble angel appeared before him in person and said, "Stop," and asked, "Are you worthy to sit on this seat?" and told him to pray and fast for 3 days. After that, again, when he tried, another angel appeared and said that King Vikramaditya never tried to take other people's riches, and asked, "Is your heart as pure as a little child?" The king admitted, no, he was not. After that, angels came and carried the slab upon his head into the sky, and like this, Vikramaditya judgment seat disappeared from the earth. So this is the gist of the chapter. Please read this chapter carefully and learn the question answers. I will send you the PDF of this chapter. Please write it in your notebooks. Thank you.